everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be making trendy TikTok DIYs, or jewelry, I guess. I'm going to be making clay jewelry as well as beaded jewelry. I'm not sure if I'm too late for this trend or not. I'm kind of hoping I'm not. I feel like people are still like wearing clay rings and like beaded jewelry. But I'm excited to do this because I have been waiting to do this for a very long time now, and I'm finally doing it. I have a bunch of stuff laid in front of me right now, and I'm extremely excited. But before we get started, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified every single time I make a video, and let's get started. So the first thing that I'm going to be starting off with, my dog's mad at me, is beaded jewelry. So I actually have two like things that I've already made for my friend last weekend. So I have like this bracelet and it says cherry on it, and it's like different colors of red, I guess, and then or like different shades of red. And then I have this like two-toned beaded necklace, and I'm really excited to do this. Okay, so these are the different beads that I have. I have these like letter beads, and then also like the things that you need for it, like the string and these little clip things. And then I have a whole thing of like a bunch of these colorful ones. And I have this pink one, this white one, this one white one right here, and then a bunch of different shades of green. Okay, so I hope this angle is all right for you guys. I'm gonna start off by obviously getting the string out. I think I'm going to make a necklace. Here are my inspiration for this, these beaded jewelry. So I think what I'm gonna do is start off by making a necklace and having it like, I don't know, like, oh, you know what? I'm gonna start off by making one really simple one, just all white. I don't know what I'm doing. I think this should be enough. Oh shoot, I need scissors. Okay, I got scissors. And I'm just gonna cut like maybe that much. Hold on, I'll show you. I'm gonna have about this much. If you guys can even see that, I don't really think you can. Okay, so now what I have to do is take these little things and attach it. So I'm gonna use, it's gonna be really hard to see this, but I'm gonna use like this little thing. It's like this. You just like take it and like, hold on, there you go. You just twist it and then you twist it right back on, which is really easy. So I'm just gonna start off by doing that, and I'll see you guys when I'm finished. I got it on there, and I'm just gonna cut off the excess string. That's all done, and now I'm just going to put these white beads, see if I can hold up, these white beads on there. Okay, so I got this done. I still have to tie one side because it's just not tying the way I want it to, but I think I'm just gonna move on. I'm gonna make another necklace because necklaces are so much fun to make. But I'm gonna take these beads, if you can see, I don't really know if you can. These beads, they're like different shades of green and blue with these pearls or like these other beads, and I'm just gonna like alternate. So I'm going to take maybe like 10 of these and then like 2 of these, 10 of these, and just kind of do a pattern like that. So I'll see you guys when I'm hopefully finished with this. So that's what the pattern is going to look like. Okay, so I'm finished with this bracelet. I'm actually really happy with it. It looks really good. It didn't take me that long, surprisingly, and it is like shorter than my first thing that I made. Whoa, a lot shorter. But I really like this one, and I think it's really cute. So I think I'm gonna take a break from jewelry right now. I'm going to move on to some clay rings. So I cleaned up my space. So I have this polymer clay. I have the blue, like a pastelish blue, pastel pink, if you can see that. And I really meant to go for like more pastel, and then pastel yellow. I think pastel is a really pretty color, so I decided to do that. I just got some tools right here, so let's get started. By the way, this is my inspiration picture. That's kind of what I'm trying to go for. First thing that I'm going to start off by doing is like the squiggly type of ring. I'll show you a picture right here. Okay, so I set that to a side and I made this one, and it is actually really hard to make it like a perfect circle. So now I'm going to make another one of those like I don't know what it's called, like where you layer it, I guess. Okay, there we go. Here is what the blue looks like. I'm just thinking of swirling it together and just kind of marble it, I guess. Hey everyone, I'm back. It was like 3 days after I started this video. Wow, my family's loud. Hold on. I've kind of just been working on these rings and working on some of my jewelry. So I am ready to put these rings in the oven. So it says on this little thing that I actually kind of ruined. It says to put it in 275 for 15 minutes. I have a little baking sheet here and parchment paper, and we're just gonna put these rings on there. As you can see, I did not use all of the clay just because I don't know, I just didn't think I needed to. I don't know if I said this already, but I did get my hair done, so that's why it looks different and really greasy, but that's okay. We're fine with that. Here's the parchment paper. I'm just gonna move these rings one by one and just kind of shape them to how I want them before they go in the oven. Yeah. Okay, so my favorite rings are actually these ones. So I made 3 of these little ones. They're like I don't even know what they're called, but I made 3 of them in 3 different colors. They are definitely my favorite. No, that was my favorite one. Okay, we're all good. We're all good. There we go. It is time for the overview of everything that I made. I am so happy that I made all of these. pieces of jewelry, and I'm so excited to wear them too because I just needed some more jewelry. The jewelry that I have right there is really boring and it's just not fun anymore, so I'm really excited to show you guys what I have made. The first thing that I'm going to be showing you guys are all the beaded jewelry that I made. I didn't make a bunch because it was very time consuming, but I did make a few that I will definitely be wearing in the future. So starting off with necklaces, I made this necklace. It's just a pink one with those like little seashell, not seashell, but like the shell looking white beads. And then the next one that I made is the same exact thing, just with the green beads. And these are all very short necklaces. I didn't want them to be too long. The next necklace that I made is not one of my favorite ones. It's kind of ugly, I'm gonna be perfectly honest. But here it is. It is just this green, blue, and white one. The next, actually, I made another necklace that was matching with this bracelet that I will show you in a second. But it's downstairs, and honestly, I don't feel like going all the way downstairs. So I'm just going to show you one that I already made. I showed you at the beginning of the video. So it's just this two bead one. Moving on to bracelets. I showed you this at the beginning of the video, but it's just this cherry one. And then I call it cherry because it says cherry, you know. And then this is the last one. I have a matching necklace to this. I love all of my jewelry that I made, beaded jewelry, and now it is time for me to show you all the clay jewelry. Hey everyone, it is like 5 days after I filmed this video, and I realized that I never showed you guys my rings, so I'm gonna put that in right now. So I pulled out some of my favorites, and they're all right here. Don't mind my dry shampoo or any of that, but I have them right here in a little candle. I love keeping my jewelry in old candles like this because I think it's just so like aesthetic, and so I'm just gonna show you guys some of them. So my by far favorite ones are these these like really big chunky ones. I love these chunky ones so much. They're extremely chunky, but that's okay. I don't really mind, and I really like them. Wow, that got bright. Sorry, I'm sitting in front of my window. It's really bright. Another one that, these are also the ones that fit me. Another one is this one. It is just like this marbled one with the pink and yellow, and it's like a little diamond on there, like a clay diamond. And I think it's really cute. It fits my pinky, and honestly only my pinky, so I really like this one. Another thing that I did with all three of the colors was the little like layering ones, so I'll just show you on one finger. So here are the layered ones. So there's like the pink layered one, the blue layered one, and the yellow. And I really like this one, or these ones. They look really good, and they all fit. I realized that I anticipated my fingers to be bigger than they actually were in real life, so half of them don't really fit me. The next one I have is, I'm just going to show you on my thumb, is just this yellow one. It's really big, as you can tell, but it's just this nice like chunky yellow one, and it's more flat as well. I have more of like those flat ones, more like flat chunky ones. So I have this pink one, really love this one, and then this blue one. This one, I'm gonna be honest, I'm not a big fan of. It just doesn't really fit me whatsoever, but you know, it's cute and I like it, so I mean, I'm gonna wear it, of course. I did make a lot of these simple ones. I just made this like really simple yellow one. It's very thin, and I really like it. And then the last one that I made that I personally love a lot is this yellow one. It is just this little like swirl. It's like I made it with like 2 pieces of, there we go, okay. 2 pieces of yellow and kind of like swirled them together, and that's how I got this. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. It took me a long time to make this, and I'm really happy that I did. And I'm really happy with the jewelry that I made. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and go watch some of my other videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.